Did you know that 80% of people will never save $10,000 because of this one huge mistake? If you're making this mistake, you're sabotaging your financial future. Let's fix that right now. Saving $10,000 sounds like a big goal, right? But for most people, it's completely out of reach. I'm gonna share the one mistake that keeps so many stuck, and more importantly, how you can break free from it and start saving today. Maybe you tried saving before, but every time you hit a wall, budget, cut back, and maybe even automate your savings, but somehow you still don't reach that $10,000 target. Trust me, I've been there. So what's the real problem? Let me explain. The number one mistake I see holding people back from saving big amounts of money, like $10,000, is focusing only on cutting costs instead of increasing income. It's not just about eating out less or skipping the daily coffee. Sure, those things help, but they're not going to make you rich. What you need to do is find ways to earn more. Imagine you're putting in hours at a job, cutting back on spending, but you're still stuck at the same income level. You can only save so much if you don't focus on growing your income alongside saving. I remember when I was first starting out in my 20s, I thought that if I just cut out all unnecessary spending, I'd eventually reach my savings goal. I stopped buying lunch, started bringing my own coffee, and cut cable. But after months of doing that, I barely saw any progress. Then I realized this wasn't enough. I had to level up my income. I started freelancing, looking for side gigs, and within 6 months, I reached my first $10,000 in savings. That's when everything clicked. The lesson here is clear. Cutting costs is only part of the equation. Increasing your income can supercharge your savings. Whether it's a side hustle, asking for a raise, or starting a small business, when you actively work on boosting your income, saving $10,000 doesn't feel as hard. That's how I did it, and that's how you can too. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. Drop a comment below. What's one way you're planning on boosting your income this year? And that's all for now, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.